What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I just want to show you what GreenView did to my lawn. Look at what they did to my lawn. Look at it. It's 100% crabgrass free, you guys. The GreenView works so far. The GreenView works. We are in mid-July, you guys. I'm gonna show you why I know that the crabgrass is like completely gone. Now, not 100%, and that's probably due to the operator due to the operator, which is me. So I'm going to show y'all where the crabgrass. This is not clickbait, you guys. I am showing you what GreenView did to my lawn. So as you can see, my lawn is in dormancy. The lawn is not dead. The lawn is sleeping right now. So this is for people that think the lawn is dead. Even my wife was like, the grass is dead. And I'm like, no, it's just sleeping right now. So we can walk around. Y'all can see some grass is still not asleep. And some grass is basically sleeping. And here's how I know the crabgrass is not in the yard. As you look on my edge on the lawn, you can see crabgrass right there. And I know somebody said this was Bermuda, and then another person in the comments said it is crabgrass. So we are going to go with crabgrass. All right, if you look right here, you got crabgrass right there. Look at that. And it's coming over to the patio. All right, so all of these edges is basically where you see the main of the crabgrass, most of it. All right, that's how I know the crabgrass haven't showed up yet, because if you look in the lawn, you guys, I actually did some lawn reviews as far as product reviews with weed killer and all that. There was a review where I had crabgrass through the whole middle of the lawn. So yeah, put y'all down further. You guys, this is amazing to me. All right, I can't believe the GreenView works. All right, so we have like weed grass back here. You have weeds right here. I'm gonna get rid of those. All right, normal weeds here. You guys, I could walk through the whole lawn. The lawn is clear. The lawn is clear, you guys. Now here we have some weeds. And like I said, maybe it's because I didn't put that much on the edge. So that one is on me. But the GreenView actually works. Now, here's how I know the crabgrass is not in the yard yet. Now, as you can see, I have some crabgrass on the edge. And that's some of the yard, but you know, it's on the edge where the garden is. So I didn't put that much on the edge. So once again, that's my fault. Now, as you look in my garden, it's crabgrass central in here. So I will be digging all of this stuff up very soon because I want to pick some of my peppers. So I do have some hot peppers right here. I want to pick some of those up, cut them out. My blackberries are gone, but they'll be back soon. A bunch of crabgrass over here. Everything is on the corner, you guys. All right. I think that's wild grass back there. I don't think that's crabgrass. But as I go around the whole yard, all the crabgrass is gone. You guys, this is insane. I can't believe not crabgrass. I can't believe that GreenView is this strong. Who would have thought? Even have one crabgrass right here, but that's basically in the garden area. So yeah, garden area over here is free of crabgrass. There's none over here. Walk in the yard. Wow, I am amazed. I am amazed. It's usually crabgrass crazy back here. We're back. We walked the whole lawn, and y'all can let me know what y'all think. But as far as I know right now, this will be the stuff I will be using I don't even know if I want to test anything else out, just for the simple fact on I know that this works. So if I do test anything else out, it will probably be on the front yard. But as far as the backyard, it may stay with this GreenView, the GreenView Fairway Formula. Whatever's in this formula, it works. It works, you guys. So yeah, don't mean to clickbait if you thought this was clickbait, but no clickbait here. So this is what GreenView did to my lawn. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.